your junk look clean. All right, YouTube, we gonna give Bo the GoPro real quick. She's in your hands, brother.
Oh yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Is it good? Are we good? All right. What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy, Skinny Penis, back at it again. I think we're about to do a 40 roll. You know, safety first, just in case. Had to get the cardboard. Take a sneak peek real quick. A new drag pack wheel, possibly. We're gonna see if she fits. What are we doing?
I'm gonna do like a long pull. He's going like 70.
That's fine.
He just wants to see what it's got.
Okay. Now she's ready to go. You didn't even get it? Oh, you're about worthless. Okay.
So really, you should get in front of Cersei and then hop over. Because there's nobody behind me right now.
All right, so do I need to get back over and slow down?
Yeah, you gotta hurry though, because this truck's gonna like piss you off.
All right. On you! Making that turn, not at fucking 90. Trey, are you coming? Where you at? Hello?
I got that one.
Okay, good.
Oh my god.
I launched in.
It's literally like I cannot hear my car. It's that loud.
Really? Hey,
I forgot I was in 5th gear. It's so loud.
I launched in 3rd. I think I was at like 2,500 RPM or maybe 3K, but it was. I wasn't trying to go crazy. Hey, where are we going? We going back left or are we going?
Yeah, I need to get gas.
All right. All right, get a little window action. Ready? Oh, spinning a little. He ain't spinning, you ain't winning. We all need to convince Trey to get a newer Mustang. He was looking. Wow. Wow. Uh-oh.
Take to work. Bruh, come tell me what you call this thing. The Freakers.
Yeah, the Freakers, bro. Really?
Bro, the wheels are so. Some things are so.
Let me take the hair tie off.
MG, it's MG. It's the exact one I'm wanting to get too. Oh my goodness, bro. That's crazy. Focus, the most slammed car in the county.
I mean, it's nothing crazy. Full bolt on, exhaust downpipe, and I got stock intake, but I got an aftermarket filter. Blow-off valve, routed for true vacuum, bro. Tuned on 93. My interior's kind of dirty.
Bro, I ain't gonna lie. I love the steering wheel. Like, that's one of the coolest.
Oh,
like,
yeah. And then 6-speed manual, too.
Sci-fi. Oh, the seats. I didn't notice the seats. The seats hard. The spoiler is kind of crazy. I'm gonna try to keep you up.
Yeah, Vega spoiler. Slam, static.
That's a free shout out right there. And then what else?
Taillights. I don't have headlights at the moment. That's about it.
Shit's hard.
It's probably gonna get cold though.
We're just waiting on
Alright, change of plans. We was gonna go back to the house, but there's a little pop-up meet, so we're gonna slide. It's about 40 minutes away, so we're just gonna take Bo's car. You know what I mean? We're gonna take the suit and tie today. We might take the shorts and the t-shirt the next time, but so I'm gonna edit a little bit.
Oh, dude, it flies off. God.
I'm gonna get some more footage like when we get over there, so peace.
Hit records on my demo. Did y'all boys not get the memo?
Got back road. Word.
Damn.
Hey.
It's you.
That's definitely the white one.
Is there a bathroom in this smoke shop?
Probably down here.
But they
Let's go down here.
probably might make you pay.
Oh, that is so hard, bro. Oh yeah. Hey. I could tell you did this right there. Yep.
When I did the Yui?
No, right there.
Oh yeah.
I was gonna try to get in front of you because I was gonna do it, and then I was like, nah, I got my toolbox in the back. And then you did it, and I was like, I think I got you on there.
What's going on, guys? It's your boy.
Yeah, let me hear it one time. Let me hear it. Ready? We're gonna go for the pitch. Ready?
What? Mine? What's going on, guys? Fuck.
Some places so you know that I ain't frontin'. She said I ain't famous, I just want the money.